Hi everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial where you'll learn how you can give a custom color to an SVG in Depicter. Now you're looking at Depicter editor. Go to Shapes and Vectors. You can see shapes here where there are simple shapes that you can use, stock vectors where you can choose from the numerous stock vectors available on the internet which are all categorized, and finally my vectors where the vectors uploaded to your website are shown here. You can also upload your own SVG vector from here. I'm just gonna go to Shapes and add one to my canvas so I can show you how to change its color. One way to do that, with the shape selected, on the right you can see the fill color and the stroke color, which you can change to whatever color you like. Now let me add another SVG vector from stock vectors, then the shapes category. You can see that there are many options available. I'm going with this one. Click on it to add it to the canvas, and on the right, enable changing colors. Depicter analyzes the SVG and extracts the existing colors. Here you can see all the extracted colors used in this SVG and therefore change them to your liking. Just click on any color you'd like to change and choose a color or give it a color code. You can also change the opacity of each color from here. See? You can even enter a CSS code from Options, Custom Style to give your SVG any color you like. And that's it. It's that simple. I'm just gonna show you another example. I want my vector to be more complicated so you can see to what extent you can change the color of any image you want. I chose this one from the abstract category in stock vectors. Let me delete the other two, okay? With the vector selected, enable changing colors and take a look at how amazing Depicter analyzes each and every color in this vector so you can change them however you like. Alright, that's it everyone. Before you go, claim this 100% discount for Depicter Pro before someone else does, and leave a comment to let everyone know you've claimed it. Otherwise, Depicter Pro will be removed from your account. Ciao!